Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add a payment method on Steam, and now let's dive right in. Now to add a payment method on Steam, guys, first open up your Steam app and log into your account, as I've already logged into my Steam account over here. And from over here, in order to proceed to add a payment method on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there's a username available for us with the drop down arrow. Click on your username with the drop down arrow at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear. Whereas click on the second option where it says the account details, and you land on this interface. Now in order to add a payment method to this account, guys, or to your Steam account, you can see here it says a button where it says add a payment method to this account, where I'm hovering, or where my mouse is hovering over here. Click on that button where it says add a payment method to this account, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see, guys, you can add your Visa cards, your MasterCard, your American Express, and your Discover, as well as your JCB. And with that being done, guys, after choosing your payment type or your card type, enter your card number over here, whichever may it be, and after that enter your expiration date over here, which will be probably at the back side of the card, as well as the security code, and after that enter your first name and last name on the card, and enter your city at your billing address. Guys, go through these details, all of them, and with your phone number also. And after going through all of these details, click on the continue button over here, and the payment method will be saved on your Steam account. And with that being said, guys, this is how to add payment method on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.